Hey, what's happening everybody? This is your boy Charlie coming at y'all with another video. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my homemade Creole chicken and andouille sausage stew. Now this is a very thick and rich chicken stew that has andouille smoked sausage in it. It's really good for the fall and winter months, right? This recipe calls for about 8 to 10 servings and it is delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your chicken and andouille sausage stew. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need 2.5 pounds of chicken wingette and chicken drumette sections. And along with that, you will need some andouille smoked sausage, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, tomato paste, no salt added. You also need some white wine. This is a Chardonnay based white wine. And for your seasonings, you will need some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Seasonings Creole seasoning or the Second Mama Cajun seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic. If you want to purchase these seasonings, I'm going to have the link to where you can purchase them in the description box. You will also need some onion powder, garlic powder, and some crab ball. Now if you don't have the crab ball, you could just substitute it for the cayenne pepper and you'll be good to go. And for your additional seasonings, you will need 1 yellow onion, some green onion, celery, bell pepper, garlic, some dried parsley, some dried thyme, and bay leaves. And there we have it.
Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to go ahead and get started by chopping up a half of a yellow onion. Now this is just a demonstration of me chopping up my onion. This is how I do it. Very simple, very easy to do. Now we're going to chop up our green onions. And you want to make sure that you also chop up the ends to your green onions as well, and separate the green onions from the green onion ends. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and rinse off our celery. Make sure you rinse that off really good. And now we're going to chop this up. Now you want to make sure you chop up your celery really nice. Okay, now we're going to rinse off 1 green bell pepper. Make sure you remove the core out of the center of your green bell pepper. Now we're going to chop a half of a green bell pepper. And this is just a demonstration on how I chop up my green bell pepper. It's really simple, really easy to do. Alright, here I have 4 cloves of garlic. I've taken the garlic cloves and I've chopped them in half. And now we're going to chop up the garlic until it is minced. Now we're going to cut our andouille smoked sausage into thin or thick slices, whichever one you prefer. Alright, add your chicken wing pieces into a strainer, and we're going to rinse our chicken wing pieces off with cold water. Now I like to do this step to rinse off any blood or particles that might be on the chicken. Alright, we transferred our chicken wing pieces into a medium-sized bowl. Let's add some seasoning. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and 2 teaspoons of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic. Now we're going to take our hands and we're just going to coat those seasonings onto the chicken. Alright, now we're going to set this on the side because we're going to sear this. Now we're going to preheat our fire to medium-high heat. In a large saucepan, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to spread that butter around our saucepan, just like that, and we're going to let that melt. Now we're going to add our chicken wing pieces. Just add them one at a time. Use some tongs to kind of help you. Alright, now we're going to let this sear for about 4 minutes on each side. So after 4 minutes, you just flip them over and let them sear for an additional 4 minutes. Alright, it's been about 8 minutes total for our chicken wing pieces. We're just going to go ahead and remove those out of the saucepan. We're going to place those onto a serving dish. Now you're going to cover this with aluminum foil to keep it warm. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and add our andouille smoked sausage into that same saucepan. Just add that in there. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now we're going to let this saute for about 4 minutes total. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes for our andouille smoked sausage. Now we're going to go ahead and remove it out of the saucepan. And we're going to transfer it onto a serving bowl or serving dish. Now we're going to cover this with aluminum foil to keep it warm. Now, in that same saucepan with our butter mixture, we're going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to go ahead and take our wooden spatula and we're just going to stir those ingredients together until that flour and that oil comes together. Now at this time you want to continue to stir this for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the mixture is a brown color like how you see here. Alright, now let's add some seasoning. We're going to add 2/3 cup of chopped yellow onion right on in there. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped scallions, that's the green onion ends, a 1/2 cup of chopped green onions, a 1/2 cup of chopped celery, a 1/2 cup of chopped green bell pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic right on in there. Now we're going to go ahead and take our spoon and we're just going to stir all the ingredients together. Now we're going to let this saute for about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alright, it's been about 6 to 8 minutes now, and as you can see our seasonings have cooked down some. That's exactly what we want. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add 6 cups of water. This is actually 4 cups that I'm adding in, and here's the 5/6 right on in there. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white wine. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Just want to stir this until combined. Looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and add some seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of crab ball. Now if you don't have the crab ball, just add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and you'll be good to go. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 4 bay leaves, and 4 tablespoons of Hunt's tomato paste, no salt added. I just add a couple of spoonfuls right on in there and you'll be good to go. Alright. Now using a whisk, we're going to stir all the ingredients together. That whisk is going to help break down that tomato paste. Alright, so that's why we're stirring it with a whisk. Now you want to make sure you stir this really well to ensure that tomato paste has dissolved into the liquid. Alright, now we're going to let this come to a simmer. Alright, our mixture is at a simmer now. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken wing pieces in there. Add them a little bit at a time. Make sure you use some tongs to help you out. Now if there's any type of pan juices or anything left over, just add that all in there. There ain't nothing but flavor. Just add that all in there. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now what's going to happen is that this mixture is going to cook down. And that chicken is basically going to make its own stock. Alright? Exactly what we want. And this mixture will also get thick as well. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and cover this. And we're going to let this simmer for 35 minutes. Right? Alright, it's been about 35 minutes now. And oh my goodness. It smells good. And as you can see, our mixture has cooked down and it's gotten thick. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our Andouille Smoked sausage right on in there. And we're going to give this a quick stir. Careful not to vigorously stir it, because you don't want to break down that chicken in there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this. And we're going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes now. And oh my goodness. Our chicken and andouille sausage stew is now done. Look at how beautiful that looks. Nice, beautiful color. Chicken looks great and it smells wonderful. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our fire off. Now for some quick tips. At this time, you can take your tongs and you can move the bay leaves out of there, or you can leave them in, whichever one you prefer. The mixture will thicken as it cools. Be careful not to stir it too much. You don't want to break down that chicken in there. Alright. And lastly, once you serve this the very next day, the flavors will settle and increase overnight. And it also will marinate into that chicken as well, giving it a much better flavor. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, homemade chicken and andouille sausage stew, made from scratch by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe, as well as all of my other recipes. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Can't wait.
Yeah. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Say, bro, it's really good. It has a nice chicken flavor. Then you can taste the flavors of the andouille smoked sausage and all the seasonings that we added. In addition to that, we have the flavor of the tomato paste and the white wine. It's really good. And that chicken, literally almost falling off the bone. It's really good. So, give the recipe a try. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And until next time, have a good one. Peace. Mm-hmm.